Hey guys, what's going on? And we do Lucy here. So today is my time to do an unboxing of this brand new 30-pin USB cable through the car charger. And so, without further ado, let's get started. This is a brand new with old stock. So as you can see, it costs about RM5 ringgit only. On the US, about $1.25. It is very cheap, but no warranty, cannot be refund, but still very cheap for me. And this 30-pin for the old is like iPhone 4S and below, iPod Touch 4 and below, and the iPad 3 and below. Very nice. It's still in plastic, never been opened before. English and French language, very nice. It doesn't mention the iPad, but still support on the iPad. Now let's cut out the plastic. Alright. Wow, it is like this. Very nice. You can't remove the cable from here. It is already been built-in connected. Oh, it has a rope here. Let's remove it. And we're done. So here's the new cable with car charger type. So this is my iPhone 4S, still working. Let me try to connect. Very easy. So I'm gonna try it after this video on my car. Very easy to insert and remove. And it just so it works on my iPhone 4S. So as you can see, it has a red light, that means it's working. So it works on my iPhone 4S. I'm so happy. So, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new unbox of the car charger to the 30-pin in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Hope you like it.